After completing that huge task with mathematics, learning about all these things, vector multiplication, dot multiplication, scalar multiplication, trigonometric identities, many geometric formulae, and so on. After that, let us come to our main topic, that is units. But that was very necessary, that was quite necessary, that's why we have learned that. So these are derived units. So derived units are not direct unit, but we have considered it with some other kind of basic units. Some SI derived units expressed in SI base units. Okay. So first, what is the unit of area? Area is square meter. So meter is basic unit. When we multiply meter by meter, so this becomes meter square. So this is a derived unit, because base unit into base unit, so we are getting a derived unit. Now volume is cubic meter, so we get meter cube. Speed or velocity, so meter per second or ms to the power -1, so this is also a derived unit. Angular velocity, so angular velocity is radian per second, so this is not given in meter per second but radian per second. So how much angle is shifted in 1 second, that is called angular velocity, and angle can be measured in radian as well. So this unit is radian per second, rad per second. So this is the angular velocity. Acceleration unit is meter per second square. So again this is a derived unit with meter and second. This is a derived unit with two basic units, meter and second. Now let us see others. Angular acceleration. So how do we give angular acceleration? Radian per second square. So meter is just changed by radian, radian per second square. Wave number. So wave number is a quantity that we will discuss sometime later, but unit is per meter. That means meter inverse. This is again derived because it is 1 by m. It is 1 by m, not directly m. That's why it is called derived unit. Other derived units, density. So what is the unit? Kilogram per meter cubed, because density is mass upon volume. So kilogram per meter cube, this is also a derived unit. Current density, current is ampere divided by meter square. Magnetic field strength, unit is ampere per meter, because ampere is basic unit divided by meter, ampere per meter. Concentration, how the concentration is given? Mole per cubic meter. So mole divided by cubic meter. Mole is also a basic quantity. Specific volume. So how we give this specific volume? Cubic meter per kilogram. Okay. So if you see this density and specific volume, so these are just reverse of each of this. This is kilogram per meter cube. This is meter cube per kilogram, because these are just opposite to each other. Luminescence, intensity of illumination. So how can we give this? Candela per meter square. So candela per meter square. These things we will learn. Kinematic viscosity, meter square per second. Momentum, momentum is simply kilogram meter per second. So momentum P is equal to mv. Okay. Mass is in kilogram, velocity in meter per second. So kilogram meter per second. So this is the way how we write. Moment of inertia, kilogram square meter. Kilogram meter square. Radius of gyration, so this is directly in meter. So this is not something derived. They have written wrongly. This is not something derived. Linear superficial or volume expansivities. So this is per Kelvin. So Kelvin is the basic unit. Kelvin is the basic unit, but this is 1 by K per Kelvin. So this is not basic unit. Flow rate. What is the flow rate? Cubic meter per second. That how much water? So let us say 1 cubic meter water per second is flowing. This is called flow rate. So these are derived units. Only this one is not, radius of gyration. This is not derived unit. SI derived units with special names. There are some units which have some special names with associated. Frequency. So frequency is also a derived unit of per second, 1 by second, or we can say second inverse. So what is this called? This is called hertz. Force. So what is the normal unit? Kilogram meter per second square. What do we call this? Newton. This is more common. Pressure. How can we measure pressure? Pressure is kilogram per meter per second square. Kilogram per meter per second square. And what do we say? Pascal. What do we say? Pascal. Or Newton per meter square. So Newton is given here. If we divide with meter square, so what we get? Kilogram per meter per second square. Energy, work or heat. So that is always measured in joule. So what is joule? Kilogram meter square per second square, or Newton meter. Newton into meter. That we will all learn. But first we are just seeing that why there are so many units. Power or radiant flux. This is measured in watt. So what is joule per second? And in SI units, kilogram meter square per second cube. So this is becoming very, very difficult. Remembering these SI units now are becoming very, very difficult. That's why we remember these units with their names. Quantity of electric charge. So common unit is coulomb, but in SI units ampere second. So this is simple, ampere second, but coulomb is much simpler. Electric potential or potential difference or electromotive force, simply in general language, voltage. What is the unit? Volt for voltage. But here what we have? Watt per ampere. Watt per ampere. So here the unit becomes very difficult. Kilogram meter square divided by second cube per ampere. Kilogram meter square divided by second cube per ampere. So this is quite complex. Capacitance, common unit is farad, but unit here is coulomb per volt. This SI unit, ampere square second to the power 4, kilogram inverse meter to the power -2. Very complex. Electrical resistance, unit is ohm. How do we give this? Volt per ampere. And what is the SI unit? Kilogram meter square second to the power -3, ampere to the power -2. Conductance, what is the common unit? Siemens. Siemens is just reverse of this, ohm. So this is ampere upon volt. So if you see, these are reverse. So Siemens is opposite of ohms. Previously this opposite of ohms or Siemens was called mho. We just reverse this ohm and call it mho. Instead of ohm we call it mho. But right now we know this is called Siemens. So this is meter to the power -2, kilogram to the power -1, second cube, ampere square. Just reverse all the powers. Magnetic flux, common unit Weber. How do we write? WB. This is volt second or joule per ampere. Volt second or joule per ampere. What is the SI unit? Kilogram meter square second to the power -2, ampere -1. Again very complex. Magnetic field or magnetic flux density, simply magnetic field, that is measured in Tesla, represented by T or Weber per meter square. Weber per meter square. SI unit kilogram second to the power -2, ampere inverse. Inductance, common unit Henry, Weber per ampere. Kilogram meter square second to the power -2, ampere to the power -2. Luminous flux, luminous power, unit, common unit lumen, written by LM. So no representation. Candela per steradian. This is steradian, that solid angle that we have discussed. Steradian. Illuminescence, common unit lux, represented by Lx, and that is lumens per meter square, and let us put the value of lumens candela per steradian. This is meter to the power -2 candela per steradian. So very difficult. Activity for radioactive material, common unit becquerel, and in this SI unit second inverse. This is simple but still very similar to Hertz. Absorbed dose or absorbed dose index, common unit is Gray, represented by GY. What is this unit? Another kind of unit, joule per kilogram, and joule we get meter square per second square or meter square second to power -2. So here we have seen that SI units for many of these units are very difficult, but we have to learn SI units. The reason will be clear to you little bit later, but make this table because this will be very helpful.